Alright, I'm just about done with this project and I go, oh, I forgot to put the kicker kit stuff on. So this is the nut that goes on in the shaft here for the kicker to work. And I get to pull this back off to do this. I forgot to. Alright, so I'm going to pull this back apart. We don't have the room to lock it anymore, so
You have to put it in a good.
Okay, this goes on here, and it should go on, but see, I don't know how tight it is because everything rotates. So if you put it in gear, high gear, that's the other way of this. Got to put a load on the transmission. Now this gear just does not want to go on there very easily. This works a lot better when it was when I can lock it in gear. Alright. Well, we'll leave it off for now. We're going to put red Loctite on this thing to make sure it stays tight. First we got to get it to turn.
Did you want to get a wrench to hold that, or?
Nope. It's in gear. You hold the sprocket on the other side. You don't hold it with your hand. It's wobbling. So your threads don't work very well to begin with. Now we're trying to jam a heat treated nut onto here. See how that nut wobbles?
Mm-hmm.
Is that because of the nut or because of the shaft? I'm going to tell you right now, this nut is not made very good. That's why it's wobbling. See how bad it is? See how it wobbles? That's not the shaft. See how it went past? See how it wobbles still?
Where are we looking at? On here?
The nut's wobbling. It's made bad. So watch this thing just go in and out as I rotate it. See the nut's going in and out? See it?
Oh, yeah, yeah.
So this thing's wobbling back and forth like this. That means this gear over here is going to have a lot of problems trying to engage. This nut's a piece of crap. So we're going to get this nut off. We have to get you another nut, because this one's a piece of crap. China crap. We're assuming the rest of this stuff here is good, but we don't know. All I know is this piece here, first piece we try to use on this kit, is junk. So I can't use, I can put together like this, but the kicker won't work very well.
It'll slip.
And you want a real kicker, so we gotta get.
That's my only starter.
We have to get rid of this nut, get a real nut. So you already saw when they tapped it, it went through at an angle like this, so it wobbles. So it's no damn good. Piece of junk. Nice, good quality import parts. I'm wearing the shafting while I've got this nut here. So that goes a lot easier now. Look how bad that thing wobbles. See it? See it wobble?
Yeah, I don't notice it myself.
Blind. It's out 30 thou. It's bad. Alright, well this piece is trash, so can't use this.
So can you order just this?
I'm going to find out. Because that's no good the way it is, can't use it. So. But everything else is pretty well in here decently. Tight again. See, and that doesn't wobble. So that goes on there. Where's this piece here? Look at the quality gasket they give you.
Oh, that's beautiful.
These are the chrome bolts they give you?
Yeah,
How can you work with chrome?
I don't know.
Make this easier on me. Ah. Now, normally there's dowel pins on these things here too. They didn't give you dowel pins though, did you? See, these holes are big?
Yeah,
They're made for dowel pins.
bastards.
So I need to pick you up a couple dowel pins to hold this thing in alignment. Because this does not, you'd think they'd come with them. So we got more stuff they don't come with.
That's a deep ass screw.
I don't know why that doesn't look correct. I bet you that's not the right screw. I bet you that one goes all the way through that one. Spring's in the way too. Where's the ratchet? Oh, this kit comes from a V-twin, didn't it?
Where do you know?
That's going to be a pain in the ass to deal with them.
Or they don't like to take anything back?
Just a pain in the ass. This is not lining up. The bolt pattern doesn't line up either.
Well, why don't we just do
It's
this?
half a hole off.
Half a hole?
See?
What the? Jesus.
Yeah, this has got to go back. This is not going to work, this mechanism. So we got a couple issues we got to deal with.
So this, I think this came with that kit,
It did.
the whole thing.
So this one here was trying to go through over here
I see that. Oh.
because that hole was off. So nothing was working. We don't have dowels for here. We gotta get dowels no matter what. And that's a piece of crap. Ah, crap.
There's still oil in there.
Where'd that come from?
It's finally giving it all up.
Jeez.
All right. Well, why don't I just settle up with you for what I owe you for now? I'll have to come.
Alright, so we're gonna have to get a different kicker kit from V-twin, and Midwest is the other one, the Ultimate kit, but they don't have any in stock. But that kit there is a piece of crap. So we'll get another one in, see if the parts are made better. More than likely, they're probably all made just as bad, but we'll find out. So we're on hold on the rest of this for now.
Okay.
Okay, we're back at it again. It turns out this cover was not drilled and tapped right here all the way down. Definitely not tapped, it was only drilled halfway. That's why the bolt wouldn't go in the hole. So maybe now the cover will work. We can't blame it on the Taiwan Teddy cover. We can blame it on the Taiwan Teddy nut being no good. Ratchet out. Yep. Okay, so we're going to have a go at this one more time. And the long ones go here. These go all the way through the whole case, all the way to here. That's why they're so long. We still have no dowel pins though. Have to come up with those yet. One thing at a time. Put that in first.
Still not happening.
Jeez, everything appears to be not aligned very well. There it goes.
I'm thinking if we use plastic screws, they would bend and go in.
Is that the secret?
That's the secret. It has to be.
Definitely are not loose. Whatever version of metric they're using, they don't like each other. Man. I've had problems like this before. Harley Davidson case and precision machining kicker. Or not kicker, but a fancy cover. They were off a lot.
Yeah, you wonder how that can happen. That's using a jig that's wore out and
I don't know. Manufacturers can't seem to make stuff that fits each other. These are binding like crazy, but they are going in. These cheap ass Allens are no good. It's running out my socket.
I think once it soaks itself in oil, it'll all loosen up.
It's running off my damn wrench. Have to shorten it again. Okay, no kicker.
Oh, it's in the box.
Another box.
But that gear's not in there, right?
Yeah, but I want to see this part works.
Oh,
Doesn't go very far. You go at least all the way around 90 degrees or 180. That's the next problem. It only goes halfway. Alright, it did bolt on, so I don't know why it won't go a full 180 degrees. The kicker should be going all the way up too. So my guess is because they don't have that in there, maybe it disengaged here or something, I don't know. I'm not going to force it. Okay, what I did do, I did put the push rod over here, the throat bearing. So now I got to put a push rod in here and figure out your clutch adjustment length
Yeah,
here.
get all that clutch stuff on there.
One step closer.
Okay.
Alright, so it kind of fits together, but this piece is still trash. Maybe another one does. Alright, that's it.